Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to guide you on the process of deleting your Clickbank account. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell. You never miss out on our latest content. There are two methods to do this. One is you open the Clickbank app on your mobile device, or just hover here at clickbank.com. All right. So you can use the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but if you're using Safari, Opera, Firefox, Edge, even Brave, it's okay, right? So we will go here in the help center where it says how to close your Clickbank account. For example, you're not using your Clickbank account for quite some time, for like over a year or a few months, and it's not really working. So what you want to do is log into your Clickback account and select the nickname account you want to close, right? And the next step would be click the account settings tab on the navigation bar. Mostly, the account settings tab is located in the second navigation bar from the top of the screen. And step 3 would be click edit in the upper right hand corner of the account information. Okay. And clicking edit will direct you to the my account page. Here's a quick tip. The account information box is the first box information, and it's a very small text in the upper right hand corner of the box border. Now, this is the most crucial part, okay? If you're going to click close account, be mindful because once you are directed to the my account page, when you click close account in the bottom right hand corner of the account information editor box, you will be needing a reason for the account closure, right? So it's up to you. And once you click close account, a dialog box is displayed prompting you to provide information about why you are closing your account. So you have your reasons, I know. Select the option that best fits your reason, or if your reason is not listed, provide a different reason in the other field. Okay. Click the close account button, and once you click the close account button, an account closer confirmation window will be displayed. Final step is to confirm your Clickbank account closure. Just click the OK button on the confirmation dialog box and it will confirm the closure and deletion of your account. Okay, be mindful that this account cannot be reactivated, so you have to decide very carefully, okay? And you will receive an email confirming that you have closed your Clickbank account. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.